Hello, Pandi here. I'm developing a game using Unreal Engine and I'll be making a weekly video about my learning process. I'm developing a side-scrolling action RPG games and I'll cover my personal daily progress and lesson learned. To install Unreal Engine, you first need to download and install Epic Games Launcher. Once Epic Games Launcher opened, click Unreal Engine, then click Library, then click the plus button, select the version, and click Install. But I don't need to install it because I already have Unreal Engine 5 Early Access. To set up project, launch the Unreal Engine. And you can select some templates here. I'll just go with the default. And to change folder, you can click here. Next, I'm going to name my project. Click Create. Wait for it to load, and you can immediately play with it. You can move around, jump. Next, I'm setting up version control system using GitHub since I'm familiar with it. Just to find out the next day that my friend too creates a GitHub repository with a character model in it. He creates this model for this game. I'm working with him to work in this game. A character we are all familiar with. Next, I'm modifying the default map since I'm creating a 2.5D platformer game. I have found some tutorial that helped me a lot in this process, and I'll share the link below. Adjust the size, move it around, and adjust it a little bit more, and then I hit play. There goes our character falling down. Problem is, this player start are located here. We need to move it so that it falls to the platform. You can press End key to match it with the floor. Click play again, and it can still fall. Now I'm creating a blueprint for my character by duplicating this default character. And I'm just changing the character model. Just like that. Now to use the new character blueprints, I need to set up the world settings here using the default game mode and select my character. And if you hit play, we now play with the new character. Next, I'm adjusting the camera so that it doesn't rotate around. To do that, uncheck the Use Pawn Control Rotation and uncheck the Inherit Yaw. Then adjust the camera distance a bit so we can see our character a bit further. Compile and save. Hit play. Now the camera doesn't rotate around anymore. I'm going to delete some of the objects here. And I'm going to restrict the movement to be only left and right. I'm going to delete all the unnecessary nodes only what we need is left. In movement input, by default we have 4 directions, which is controlled by 2 axes, and we just need 1 axis for it, which is move right, so that we move left and right. And here we need to set the wall direction, set the Y value to 1. Compile and save. And that's it. We now just move left and right. Now I'm going to adjust the camera a little bit more so that it looks better. Yeah, now it looks better. Alright, that covers the first week and also my first video. I'm open to feedback, and if you have any, I would like to hear it. And while doing it, drop me your best Unreal Engine tips and tricks in the comments below. Or you can reach me on Twitter. Thank you very much. Bye.